Hi, back again. We start. So we have to do this yellow house today. So we start. It has 3 stages. See it here, stage 1, 2, 3. So we start with add mesh cube, scale down. It is a very small one, so we can let that like it is. You see it's a quad. So we scale set simply. A little bit more. Then we make here 2 cuts in. Row Control R, row mouse. We have 2 cutters, so 3 stages. We make it with the materials, 1 white material, then plus new material, called red maybe, and give here a red color. Then we take this place there and say assign, so we see what is what. This roof is a simple roof, so we can simply go here on the top, Control R, make a loop in, take here the middle part and simply bring them up. That's it. We can make here another loop in, short down under this one. Then we can put the top one to that stage, so we can handle better this. So we have to bring here white color, so I'll say white. What I mean was, when we take now that extrude scale, we can now bring that out. That here, and that if you want. Extrude. So we have that look from an outstanding part of the house like it is here. Okay. We have to do that on the back side too. So extrude scale and get this part and extrude them to Y. Good. Roof done. Shift D, make a copy, file, save. Then we see here in the front our little windows with little windows over them, and that is all that is on the front side there. So that means that are such windows. So we simply add mesh cube, scale down. Let's look at the front. They are bigger or not. Think they are really the same. I think so. So we scale it in complete, scale X. So we have that. Then Shift D, place one to the side. Then Shift D, put one on the top. Scale that set to get this. Then Shift D, get that. That is our masks to cut in the house, so join that together. Set the geometry and apply the rotation scale of the object. So Shift D, make a copy of that. We must cut that into the stages. That means the second stage and the top stage in the middle. We should use that. So we try it here. That is the middle stage, and you see it is there. There is a little place down under. So when we bring it here in front, we will see that we must go more to the top side, that we have here the place to make that stripes there. So that is the position for that. And same over them. So Shift D, that we make red. So we get here the red one. We have both. We join them both together. We have to recolor them now. So L to select this object only, plus give them the white material sign. Good. We are in the object. That is important. On the top there is no window, only on the side there are two, and at the back. So that means Shift D, make a copy of that. Then we make here for the house object apply rotation scale. We get the name of this little cutouts. Name is cube 2, so we take the house modifier boolean cube 2, and it should be the difference apply. So we have cut that in, so we can make here two windows in. So that means we simply take that one and bring it here by the side. Let's look from here to here and there to there. Okay, 30% of that each time, so that can work. But here we make all red, so we can take here all red side. Rotate set 90 degrees and bring it into the house, but deeper. Should be down under. Here a little bit higher, it's my feeling. Yeah, we have to go back, that here is too high. So Control set to go back. Oh, I was a little bit too much back. Oh, what happens here? Is here an undo? Normal is Control Shift set. Brings that back what you have done before. Wow, fuck that off. Okay, so we have to do all again. Isn't it nice? Isn't it beautiful? So extrude, bring it out. What have I done? Nothing. So here is this window shit there. Okay, so Shift D, place one in the middle of the house there again. Scale up, place it there. That don't look for me normal here. Better is to get that. Oh, there is the rest. Wow, that is cool. So we take simply Shift D, make a copy of that, delete that here, X, bring that here back to the object, put it into, and here we see now that is too high or low, so we set that here to the red color, and then we see it is too high. Yeah. So because of that, it's important to color the stages to see where you are really. So we have it there, that is okay. Then this one comes there, should be nearly the same height as the other one. Then we can plug that in. Now we join them both together. Then we have cube 3. We apply the rotation scale again, the same with the house. Then we take the house, boolean cube 3 difference apply. That is cut it in. Now we must look at the back side. There we have that one, and there that is correct, that in the roof is a cut in there, and a smaller one on the left side. So because of that, Shift D, place one there. Then we get, that was 2 or 1 or what? Only one of them and a small on the left side. Good. So we can simply take here all this stuff and delete that. Then we can take here that one, Shift D, and make it a little bit smaller, and that should be the cutout for the back of the house. And here we said it should go in the roof. So we can take here all and assign red so we see it better. And then we can put it there, rotate set 180 to bring it on the other side. And I think that can work. It is on the back side, it is completely other than at the front. There is higher. Yeah, it's like it is. Good. So we cut in that. So that means we apply that. Apply rotation scale for the cutting stuff. Then apply rotation scale of the house again. Then we get the name again. The name is cube 3. So we go again and modifier boolean cube 3 difference apply. So we have all that done. So we can move the cutters away. M to move, second one, move, second one. The original, move 2, and Shift D, make a copy of that, move that 2. So, file, save as, new version number. So, we have done that. And as you see here, the front around each window is wood, and on the side and down under the window here, but not on the top. But there is some. Okay, that means we have to do them. We make first the on the sides here that are bigger ones. So add mesh cube, scale down, bring it in front, scale down. I think that must be a little bit greater, so that it's okay. Scale set, scale set again, so that it has the size of the stages, and we need it on all stages. So what we can do now is Shift D, get that, make that red, and get here one side and bring it till there, so we can get out here the front, because the front is completely open. You see it here, completely open. A little step there, and then comes the wood. So that means we can scale set here, go a little bit in the deep, so scale Y, that should be it. Then we apply the rotation scale of it, and from the house the name is cube 6, so we take here the house, modifier boolean cube 6, and the difference apply. Get that away, M to move it away. Good. Then we had this one, we completely mark them seam, so we go to shading, mark seam, then we get an unwrap of it, but we must before object apply the rotation scale to get a correct unwrap, so unwrap, and yeah. Good. So we have to make that, so we make here Alt D, because then we don't have to do it each time new. We only have to change one and all others change with them. So we go here a little bit out, then Shift D, place them over the top there, and down under there is stone material, so we don't have it here at the base structure there. Then we get here 2 stripes on each side beside the window. That means we take one Shift D and scale them. Maybe that, scale set to get the whole range. Here is the same, it is unwrapped, but we must apply rotation scale before because we changed it in the size, and then unwrap. Good. X, Alt D. No, here we need Shift D because we want to change there later the wooden material to others. So that here is all wrong too. So delete that and Shift D, because we want to change later the wooden material for each one, so that you can make it with one and copy that, then you have only the same. Good. The same we take here Shift D and place it on the top, but there it must be red to see there some, and Shift D, place one there, and then take both Shift D and place it there. Also we can make them red. Good. File, save. Then around the windows should be wood. Should have the same size as the other wood there. So Shift D, place one there. It goes completely straight down. Here 2 in the middle and on the side. Then here is a complete under the window. So Shift D, rotate Y90 and scale them down, should be a small one, scale X, bring it up, down under the window, and we get here some parts out, scale X a little, so then we get here a loop in the middle, and take the down part, no, the top part a little out, so extrude to the Y. So we have that stair effect there. We give them a new mark seam and object apply rotation scale and a new unwrap. Good. So we need here a top wooden plank So Shift D, rotate Y 90 and bring it over the window, but scale X for sure. So we have that. That is changed the size, and we must apply the rotation scale again and make the unwrap new. Then Shift D, we place it here on the window, but scale that a little in the set because that is a little bit smaller. Then again, object apply rotation scale and an unwrap. Good. The same we do with the top one, but there we can copy that simply. So we take the whole thing, Shift D, and place it there. But here we need another color to see that correctly, so we get here red 1. So we have that done. Here the back normally should look white, then we see something there. So okay, we have done that. Down under this window is only here a small thing, not on the complete one, and here you see a bigger one that comes out there. So we can take that one, Shift D, place it there and scale set simply so we get a bigger one. Yeah, and scale X that we come to the end of the house there. Yes, good. Then at the top part, it's a normal wood, and then comes the rest there. Okay. So we take here simply that one, Shift D, place it there, but scale that a little, scale set to make it smaller, and let it come out there. Good. And we have to again apply rotation scale and give them an unwrap. Good. We have done that all. Here that must be a little bit longer, so we can bring that up simply. Good. Then we have to bring here some in. That means when we take here simply that 2, Shift D, scale down and bring it down, and extrude in the Y, then we have automatically this object that we need, but shouldn't be that. So extrude Y back. Good. So we take that, but make it a little bit bigger, that we come near to the original. So such like that. And then we make stripes down. But here we can make that straight way. So we can take that here, and scale set 0. So we have a straight look. Same you can do here with this part. Scale set 0. And then with the other parts there. Scale set 0. Good. So we have that. So we need only the stripes down. How many there are in? 3. So we simply push there 3 guys into. Shift D, copy and bring it up. And then simply bring it to point. So that means that one here deeper. That one higher. And that one deeper. Yeah. Good. But we must be behind that here. So we go here deeper. And here too. And here too. Good. Here we can go a little bit more in the middle. And we need here a complete closing stage. So we can simply take that, Shift D, plug it there, and give them red color. So we have done that too. Good. So this side is done, I think. File, save. So on the sides of this house we have the same, but only at the top part, at the right top part, that is here. So we simply can take here Shift D, place one there. Then we take this window things, there. Shift D, rotate set 90, and bring that into. So we have it here. Then Shift D, place it on the other side too. And then simply plug here one, oops, in the middle. So Shift D, place one there. Shift D, place one there, and get one here in the middle. That is enough. Here we can go a little bit deeper. Good. And we need here that thing too. Shift D. So rotate set 90 and bring that onto the house. Good. So we have done that too. That is good. Can take here simply that and make it light to see here better what is what. So we have that, and I think here was no complete going through. Oh, but there is some going through. So we can delete that here, and simply take that, Shift D, and place it there, but make it a little bit smaller scale set, and make it smaller. So we have done that. Good. File, save. I give them new version number, number 3, save. The backside, it completely, the top is the same as at the front, but here you see that is a little other, but windows are with this stuff. Good. So we tried. We look there from the back and simply take here this both, Shift D, scale down, plug it there, scale up a little. Yes. Then we extrude to the Y. That is okay. Now we have to do the stripes all stuff there again. So we simply can take it from here again. So that one, that one, that one, that, and that. Shift D and rotate set 90 and bring it there. So we have it there. That must be here on the sides too and should go down to the whole stage. So we can take here the bottom stuff there and bring that down to here too. Okay. Then let me look. That must be a little bit deeper. That should be completely go through, I think. That will be good. Yes. Then that here comes there. And that comes there. Good. So around this window we need some too, so Shift D, place one there, only make it shorter, so scale X down, then Shift D, rotate Y90, bring them here on the side, Shift D and Shift D, but scale X. Good. So we have that. Must look how many cuts there are. That we have, that we have, that we have, that we have. One there, and only the sides. That should be the big one. Here. They should be on the other side too, so Shift D, place them there. Then there should be maybe two of them. Such like that maybe. But the length we have to correct. Good. Same we should do on the other side. Shift D, place one there. And a shorter one, Shift D there. So we can delete that behind them. So that one can go. And down under them that can go also. So only that left, so we can scale that in the X. Good. Now we must look what is with down under the window. Is there something? Is there nothing? And there is nothing, that only goes closed. So Shift D, place one there, and then here should be a bigger one, I think. So Shift D, place one there, and Shift D, place one here, rotate set 90, and bring it on back there. So we have that. Then it goes here, these straight lines. So Shift D, rotate Y. We make first one, and then we take the other. We scale it in the whole part. Now I must bring here that shit away, because I must see there what I do. So now we can get here this part, grab it there, and this down part, grab it there. That should be it. Shift D, rotate set 180, so that's turned. We have that, and the last one goes completely from that window till the edge. But here is a big one over this window here. Scale X. So we have that. Okay. Don't understand it really, but who cares? So from here to there. Okay. If you want it, you get it. Shift D, copy that one, place it there, and get this here and grab it there. Don't know how that should work with this window shit there, but okay, who cares? And we place one to the other side here, so that one, Shift D, place it there, and grab that to the side there. Good. So we have that done. It's okay. Yeah, it's all done. So file, save. Think we can do here that out, and take here this top one and this bottom one, Shift D, place them here, rotate set 180, and place them on the wall, so we get the same look there, but it is not necessary because there comes a house, so we let that. Okay, good. We are ready. File, save to texture that in the next part of the tutorial, but before I will make them here more into this face, and this face should be, wow, what is that? X, delete, purchase. Bring that into that it is a little bit smaller than the roof itself. And here also. Good. But that is enough. We see us in the next tutorial, and make here the textures on, and then we will see. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye. Part safe.